So first we'll mark point P and we'll draw 15 degree. After that we'll draw radius 22. ऐसा radius 22. Now how much is this? 38. How much is this? 86. So what we need to do, uh, this is 38. So that means 19 up, 19 down. That means 43 up, 43 down. So you draw parallel line. What do? You take compass में 19 up, draw parallel line up as well as down. So when you will draw, this is how you will get line. आपको ऐसा tangent आप लेंगे ना line, तो ऐसा बनेगा आपका कुछ. See, this is how it will appear. And then 43 up, 43 down. So again you will take compass. From here you take 43 up. From here you take 43 down. And you will draw a circle like this. Like this. Understood? So this is like taking parallel line. Sorry. So any doubt in this up till now? So first we will draw this, and this portion I will draw it dark. Whatever line is intersecting, na, this much portion would be dark in radius 22. Got it? If you have any query, you let me know. I'll explain. Do anyone has any query? This is radius 22. This is radius 19. And this is radius 43. Both the sides. Radius 19, radius 43. Got it? All of you got this? Do you people want to try this much? Then we'll go ahead. So now, how will you draw after drawing this radius 22, right? And drawing this 15 degree and 19 up, 19 down, 43 up, 43 down parallel line. Now, if I'll see, I have to draw this radius. One is radius 50 and one is radius 34. So radius 50 is very simple, that you can draw like this. Let's say radius 50 would be like this. I take different color, which will be visible, maybe uh, dark blue. Okay. Somewhat like this. Sorry, very bad on whiteboard. Okay, this way, something like this. Yeah, so this is very far. Like this. Okay, this is radius 50. This is radius. Got it? This radius 50. This is radius 50. So this we can draw. After that, now this radius 34 is important. How will you draw this? So if you see this radius 34 is merging in radius 15 and it is touching this line. See, whenever you go for any R, it will do two things. It must be touching something or the other. So right now radius 34 is touching this line, and it is touching this radius 50. So what I will do, 50 minus 34 by, because it is internal. If you see, this 34 is inside, this 50 is like this, right? So it is internal, so 16. So from P we need to draw 16 radius. This is important. This is radius 16. Now if you see, how much is this? 34, which is touching here, and this is 43. So from here, can I draw 34 parallel line? Can I draw 34 parallel line? So what I will do, from here I will go 34 inside, or from center I will take 9 parallel line. This is 9. Why 9? Because 43 minus 34 would be 9. No? So you take 9 up, 9 down, again parallel line, right? So wherever it will cut, those are the main point. Let's say that is PQ. See how I got point PQ? This is 9, and this is also 9. 9, 9 parallel line from this axis line. So you got PQ. So from P we can draw radius 34. So it will be like this. And from Q you draw radius 34. So it will be like this. And then you draw this line dark. Now you will get it. See. Any query in this? Have you understood? See, this is how we can draw. This is radius 34. This is important. In entire sum, this is very important. Otherwise, the remaining part you can do it very fatafat. So just complete this much. Once again, I'll explain. We need to draw radius 50, right? And we have this line. So from there, you draw parallel line. How much? 34. Because it is 34, huh? This radius. And from center, we need to take 9. Why? Because 43 minus 34 is 9. So from here, you take 9 parallel line. From up, you go 9, draw parallel line. So this is how you do it. If you have any query in this, you let me know. I'll stop the recording meantime. Okay, so what I will do now, I'll explain you the remaining part. Now, if you see this horizontal line, see this is horizontal line. I'll just change, I'm just changing the color so you'll know. So see this, black, right? Now, if you see how much is this, 32. So what you need to do, you need to go up by 16, go down by 16, and draw horizontal line. See this. Just make it dark. See this, right? And this is freehand. This is anywhere you can stop. Now what we need to draw? We need to draw 64 and 25. Both are external. So what I need to do, see, uh, from here, I will go 64 parallel line. This radius is how much? 64. And from here, I'll go down by 25. See this. I think I'll take some different color. So, see, this is 64 and this is 25, right? Now, if you see, 64 is merging with this line. So that's why we took parallel line, right? And it is merging with this curve. This is which curve? 50. So from this point, from main point, let's say this is point O or whatever, right? From here, how much you should cut? From here, you should cut 50 plus 64. That is 114. Am I right? And this 25 is merging with this 34 radius. So this is O. Huh? O. So from P you cut how much? P you will cut 34 plus 25. So that is 59. So from P you cut 59, wherever it will cut 25 parallel line, that will be 1 point. Let's take that point as A. And from O you cut 114, and from here you take 64 parallel line, wherever it will cut, that is B. So from A you will draw this curve, and from B we'll draw this curve. Then we are done. Understood? All of you understood how to draw this? First, you draw horizontal line, and they have given 32. So you take 16 up and 16 down. That you can do. Then from here you go up by 64, draw line. From here you go down by 25, draw line. See, I'm writing 64 parallel line. Here 25 parallel line. Then from point P you cut 59. It will cut here, that is point A. And from point O you cut 114, that is point B. Wherever it will meet, from there you can draw radius 64. From here you draw radius 25. Got it? Do this much. What you need to assume that this is axis, whatever, everything is equal. So first you draw that axis line, right? First you draw that axis line, then you take this radius 10. So you can draw this radius 10. Then they've given 40. So you go up by 20, you go down by 20, and you draw a line like this, right? Then how much is this radius? 45. It's merging in 10, right? So we know 45 minus 10 is how much? 35. So that we need to cut. But on which line? So from here, the center would be how much down? 45. So that way, if you see this is 40. So how much I have to go down max? 5. You understood? So from here, from this line, you go 45 down and draw line. Matlab from 20 wala line, you go 5 up, 5 on both the sides. See, have you understood? You draw line, you draw circle, you go 20 up, 20 down. This is 20, 20. Then you go 5 up, 5 down. Why 5, 5? Because if you take 45 and if you minus 40, then the remaining is 5. Na? That means this arc ka center is somewhere here. 45 down from here. All of you are with me. Have you understood this much? Why I have taken 5 down? Because 40 plus 5 is 45. Na? Yeah, thank you, beta. Now, this is radius 45 and this is radius 10. So I know 45 minus 10 is how much? 35. So what I will do, from this point, from let's say this is O, this point, you cut 35 up, that will be point A, and you cut 35 down, that will be point B. Then what you should do, then you draw arc, see. Then from B, you draw radius 45. So it will come like this. From A, you draw radius 45, it will come like this. Got it? So this front portion you will get, this much you will get. All of you understood? After doing this, what you need to do in this sum, majority of the people, they go wrong in this. What they need to do, they need to draw one line. Anywhere, they just need to draw one line. And how much is this? 16. So they need to go up by 8, go down by 8 and draw a line. That's it. That means from here, anywhere you draw one line, anywhere. Go up by 8, go down by 8 and draw a line. Just do this much. Then I'll explain you next part.